Welcome to Supatya. Today we are going to show you how to make Kerala special, that is Palakkadan style pakkavada. Let's now look at the ingredients. So we begin by taking a bowl and adding 1.5 glasses of sieved rice flour, 1 teaspoon of roasted and powdered urad dal powder, half glass of besan powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, half tablespoon salt, half teaspoon hing, 1 teaspoon butter. This is the mold that we will use. Let us first grease it and keep it ready. Now it's the time to make the dough. Let us dry mix all the ingredients well, and then now slowly start adding water and making a nice soft dough as shown in the video. Now place the tawa on the gas stove and begin shaping the pakkavada inside the oil when the oil gets heated. Then keep turning it by tossing it on the either side slowly and simmer the flame and wait for the sizzling sound to settle. Voila, our pakkavada is ready to serve.